body facing towards the B cam here.
The best piece of career advice, I actually received that here at RMIT. It's not the jobs you say yes to, it's the jobs you say no to that shape your career. The last feature I did was The Dressmaker, shot out in country Victoria. There was another film shot here at RMIT called Predestination. They were kind of cool because I got to, meet a couple of heroes of mine like Ethan Hawke and Kate Winslet. I chose RMIT because I was able to meet a bunch of people, shoot films and write stories and stuff and try and figure out where I wanted to place myself in the film industry. The cinematography part of the course and the second half of the year of shooting short films and getting involved and getting behind the camera, that's sort of the practical side of things really, really handy for me. Other than doing the course, we would go to the pub down the road from Building 94 for lunch or hang out in the park and talk film and talk shop. We were always talking film and talking shots and photography and everything. 12, 13 years ago or 14 years ago when I studied here, back then the cameras we had were, to me, amazing. So coming back, it's unrecognisable. It's just state of the art. I applied for an attachment on a film before I finished and got it. And I was able to use that knowledge that I learned to get me through the camera department and, looked like I knew what I was talking about, and I did, and everyone was sort of pretty impressed with what I knew about cameras and lenses. Shooting all around the world now. I've shot for Kmart, Target, Brown Brothers, Huawei. That was the job I did in Barcelona. I've done tourism commercials in the Philippines and throughout China, property development commercials in Vietnam. I've worked on ANZ commercials. It's just, the list goes on. What's next for me is to jump back into feature films where I started and start shooting films again.